Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, and let me show you how to add Google account on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the settings, then find and select accounts, and here you should click on other accounts. Now click on add, here is the plus icon, and now select Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. So let me connect with mine. Here it is, so let's go back. Now we can refresh it. Let's open Google one more time, and now give your device a couple of seconds to check all the information. And now simply enter your email address or phone number, and I will do it with my email address. It's HardReset. And then click on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. As only it is done, click on next. And now you can come along with all Google Terms of Service, privacy policy and terms of service, and click on I agree if you agree with all of the above conditions. So just come along with the documents and then decide if you agree. And finally, you can pick some Google services, automatically back up my device data. It's a truly useful one, and then click on next. And that would be all. Now if you'll go back, you will find your Google account over here. So that's quite easy and quick. As you can see, you can simply add Google account to your Redmi Note 4X. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.